Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and subscribe the channel and write your comments in the comment box. And thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. This is the continuation of the previous video, monsoon tips in your car and precautions to be taken in your car. When it is heavy rain, there's low visibility, which may lead to a lot of accidents. There's low traction, the car skids and there are a lot of chances of accident. And in the car, if the wires are open, make sure you put a cello tape and cover it up. And there is in the rainy season, in the monsoon, you have a lot of dampness smell coming in your car, which can be removed by a simple tip. Take a small cover of activated carbon granules and put it in your car. That absorbs the dampness smell and you will be free from the dampness smell with that activated charcoal granule. Make sure that you carry an umbrella along with you in your car whenever you are traveling in monsoon. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.